I'm Sonia Ferguson.
I'm Michelle Miller-Dill.
And we are the facilitators for
Food Truck Face-Off.
And it's a great little STEAM project that uses project-based learning. You could spread it out into individual units, but it's very hands-on experiential learning. And it is also real life application, which I think kids really need.
The great thing, we just finished a workshop today, and the take home from it was watching people not only work collaboratively, but to work holistically, to talk about taking it back to their school and putting it up in the hallway or their common area, and involving the art department, the music department, language arts, family sciences, the chemistry department, along with math. So it's a true holistic approach to learning in the classroom, and it's applicable to just about every single grade level that there is.
Multidiscipline.
Absolutely.
Perfect for collaboration.
And all the A+ essentials right there.